I am alive. I don't think you hear the music anymore. Let me turn it up. That music is by a guy called what is the artist? The Moon. I think it's the Moon. Let me see on Spotify. It is. By the way, is my microphone fine? It should be fine. So the artist is the Moon, as in MUUN, lo-fi. Yeah, they're like they've been releasing bangers in the last month. They've released like 2 albums. Okay, they have released like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 7 albums, and according to me, it's been like within like 1 or 2 months. And if I'm not wrong, the album art they do it themselves, and such a vibe. Such a vibe. Yeah, I always get into my recommended for some reason. So let me. Where's my VTuber model? Not my VTuber model. My VTuber. Oh, there we go. That's me. No way, it's me. Let me close this. So we don't really need this anymore. So, oh yeah, I forgot. New UI, yeah. Cursor time, G-Pass cursor time. So you can see. Oh, can I flip this? As you can see down here, this is my cursor. We have a new slick UI, and it looks beautiful. So this is the same, using the same UI from Streamlabs. Like it's not integrating OBS, it's using web source or whatever. And yeah. What I did was use a custom code. Like you can use custom code with the Streamlabs ones, and I looked up for a horizontal one, and luckily someone had one public in GitHub, and so I got it. I modified it a bit, and we are. Yeah, that's about it. I'm just checking out. I'm testing a new keyword real quick. It's not a new keyword actually. It's like very old keyword. It's a keyword that I used before my actual keyword, but that I just have a different days now for my old keyword. It's kind of like cool. It's kind of like ergonomics. One of those old Dell keyboards from like 2005, 2007. This one specifically, it's the SK8115. There's the SK8135, which is roughly the same, and I used to have one of those at some point in my life, but it wasn't thinking of mine. But the main difference is that one has like, that one has media keys, specifically like the volume keys, and this one doesn't have them, and I really use the volume keys on my other keyboard. But my other keyboard is like flat. Like all the keys are the same. Sorry for the microphone noise. I'm just like moving stuff. Again. But the other one is kind of like the keys don't have different inclinations. This one is very comfortable in the hand, and also I don't think the microphone will capture this well, but like it is like mushy, but not in a bad way. Like the keys have travel time more than the one I used before. And they're like soft, but I like that they're soft, but they're also very tactile. I don't know how to explain it. They're like mushy, but not like, it doesn't feel like you're tapping on bubble gum. and the keys are oriented in such a way that if I'm going to like if I'm playing WASD and I'm going to press C, the C is slightly tilted forward, so it like feels more natural on my fingers. And if the keyboard is raised with the like little legs on the back, it also like perfectly aligns with my fingers in a comfortable way. But it's currently missing one leg. I'll probably have to 3D print it if I want to use it. Going back to the UI, which I forgot I was playing UI. So the UI, yeah, now the photos are here down here. They used to be up here, and I like that one. I like the square over there. But I feel like, especially since I was using like Godot, and it shows some like there's some space that it doesn't use because of the Windows title bar. And full screen apps such as Overwatch and Minecraft, it will still use some like a huge chunk of space over here. I just decided to move this over down here, and it just takes the bottom space. And overall, I would say it takes less area than the one up here. One thing that I'm not sure of, I don't know if this is transparent, because I believe the one that was here, I made it like somewhat transparent so you could see through it. And there's also this, I changed the color of it. It used to be blue and white with purple text. Now it's like magenta and soft magenta with white text. So it has a cool contrast with the background. It used to be the kind of like the background color with this color as the text kind of. I also love the little line here on the vent bar. Also, it may not look like it. It may look like there's a lighter blue going on the bottom, but it's actually not a lighter blue. It's supposed to be the same color as this. Like in the code, it's the same color as this, but I believe that's just an illusion created from the gradient, but I'm not sure. It's weird how that works. Anyways, let me just make sure that this is actually capturing like the sound. Maybe I've been talking and OBS just doesn't hear me well or something. I don't know. Let me see. BTTOR 64 5 4 3 2 1. It's a bit low in my opinion. At least for my taste. I would like maybe turn up the mic a bit. Sarah? Well, okay, if I get close to the mic, yeah, it still doesn't like, oh, it almost peaked there, but it didn't peak. So I feel like that should be good actually. Let me see. Yeah, it doesn't peak. Okay, nice. So I'm gonna close this. It looks fine. So let me get rid of the cursor and we're going with the game plan. Make it big. Oh, also the chat is like on the bottom left. Of course, no one's talking, but like it will appear down there. So that's good. It's a good organization overall. So what do we have here? Keys, Brian, work an actual game dev, plus some game videos. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, so it's like 1:20 a.m. already. I just wanna like show really what I've done. Let me add another section here. Let me just no, actually, let me add it to the bottom. What is the original one? Was that? I think there was a space, right? It makes sense. Let me add it here because it's before the eventually technically. Okay. Why does Control C not work well? Like, it's not doing the undoing. What? Okay, let me just... Okay, that's better. There we go. Alright, now there's too much space there. There's still too much space there. Why is there 2 lines of space there? Yeah, there's 2 lines of space. Okay, I guess I'll need 2 lines of space. What I want to do... out of straight work. We're gonna pick. So this is like. I don't know, like 3. Take a tab from there. And this is like, yeah, it's just fine. It's perfect. Out of stream work. So let's add this. The out of stream work will be more sprite work. Puzzle Zone banner that will be on X. Raw planners. Which, by the way, I don't like X. I don't like Twitter. But actually, let me check something. I think I don't have it on my Twitch, and I should put it on my Twitch. I feel like. Yeah. Also, I feel like I'm too low, right? Whoa, okay. I think my microphone's maybe way too far. Is it better there? I think it's better there. Yeah. Let me see. About page. Yep. Okay. Social links. Let me look it up real quick. X. I don't like it. Again, I really don't like it. Profile. And let me add it. Well, Twitter. Never known as X, of course, because no one likes X. Twitter. Never known as X. Who needs formerly known as Twitter when you have never known as X? And then you have my channel. That's the right link, right? I think so. My future VTuber, bring some random stuff. Game dev and random stuff. I guess I just change it. This is my display name. I can update my username. Wait, I want to see what our variations are. Freaky. Really B_Dieter. Okay. B+Dieter. B_Dieter underscore. That was available too, but I feel like underscore is like who looks for underscore, you know? Like I can get behind Vito9 as 87. I wouldn't be able to get behind Vito underscore. I know Vettel does have Vettel underscore ES, I think. And JP is also like Vettel underscore JP. You know. Should I change it to be tighter? Like the underscore tighter? I don't think so. Oh, wait. Really? But the URL would be like actually really good. Not gonna lie. Anything else I need to change? Is there any other social media that I want to promote? No, not really. Oh yeah, by the way, I made a meme. It's also on Twitter. It's a Sonic Shadow Generations meme. It's really cool. It's an absolute cinema meme. The shadow is called absolute cinema. It's great. Okay. So, what is this? Why do you have the accent color to be blue? I feel like it should be magenta. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, I think that's perfect. Oh wow, I'm looking at my old stream. I like how the follower goal does pop up a lot more. Especially when looking at my VTuber, being the same color kind of like blurs it out, and then you have a vent goal. I mean the vent thing, which isn't like really important. It's more so to grip track of things. It's like way in the corner. And here it looks more like Windows. It generally just looks like Windows straight up. So I think I'm gonna like change my highlight color accent to more of a pink. Actually, let me go to Streamlabs. I want it to be the same color as the thing. It's not false. Back to dashboard, widgets. Let me see, what color is that the vent list has? I have to go to the color for this and get the color from this thing. There we go. Let me see. I like it. Yeah. I kind of wish it looked less pink, like less hot pink, and more towards magenta. But it does combine, especially with how my name looks with the blue. Yeah, that makes sense. So going back to the game of land, what I'm going to do is mostly like, I guess, show off. Also, I should put like music. I realize there's no music. Do I have Spotify open? Yes, I do have Spotify open. Let me put on Slowdive. This is capturing. Yes. Mob capture alerts, mic, and that. Yeah, perfect. I reduce the volume before me. I don't like this song next. I don't hear anything. Okay, there we go. That's nice. Oh, my leg hurts. Yeah. Okay, so I'm planning on doing like drawing stuff for Twitter, which no one's gonna see, but I'm gonna like put it somewhere. It's like building my portfolio, Let me save this. So this is what we're doing. So I've been working, as I said, on UI stuff right now. Actually, the next thing that I'll probably do, like how to stream for the stream, will probably be the new stream screens, because all ones are just this that I had. They're all the same, and they're all like temporary screen, because what I did is just take my all starting soon screen. I had screens for each one of them, but I decided to take the starting soon screen, which is the only one that I liked, and modify it, and I'm using it for all of them. Set of soundboard, that one is relatively easy. I just need to figure out how I'm gonna like activate sounds. And then I'm working on a script, but not for this video. It's for another video. So you don't know what asterisk is. But I'm working on another video. It's pretty interesting. I basically just wrote an essay by accident, by a video essay. I'm like on 1,200 words or something, and that's like only half of it. Oh yeah, and then the corner. That's a project I need to work on. So I guess we're going to Game Lab. First of all, let me like set up videos. Sega Dreamcast, the most ambitious console. Let's put this over here. Video player. Let me activate debug. This for Gordo. Touch stuff. Oh yeah, the camera. I finished the camera. I forgot. I did that on the stream. Yeah. Yeah, I totally forgot that. I need to do a dev roadmap so we know what we're working on. Spotify. Okay, that makes sense. Let me see. Does this have audio? Okay, debug has its own audio. Video player has its own audio. Okay, that's all fine. So the camera. What is the cursor? Here we go. The music might be too loud. Let me just make sure that it's sounding fine. Titor again. Mr. Titor, how are you doing? Can you hear me? Let me pause the music for a second because I need to hear it. Yeah, it's definitely a bit loud. But it's also like loud for me, so I'm gonna reduce it in general. Let me just. I think that's better. Let me run it for 5 seconds, and now. I need to see high sounds again. Okay, yeah, it does sound better. I will still bump my sound up though. I don't know why it sounds so low. Let me check my filters. It's probably because I'm signing up. I guess I'll just sit down. You'll hear my desk. Waiting. It is taking a second. Oh, you barely heard that actually. That's crazy. Um, I should put my microphone like over here, over there. That's fine. And okay, sorry, I bumped the microphone again. Can you hear me there? Okay, if I speak normally, it does hear me. I'm just speaking too loud. And I'm not sure why I'm speaking so loud, but I'm speaking low. Yeah, it sounds fine. Okay, so camera. In case you were wondering why I'm speaking so weird, it's I'm like hearing myself to check the mic essentially. I'm still testing stuff. Okay. So as I was explaining on the other video, well, not video, on the other stream, this the concept. No, this is a reference. It's always fixed on the player's axis. If you move left, the camera moves left. If you move right, the camera moves right. And this is the default camera. This little one right here. Always faces where the player's facing, and it pans slow and close when turning. The default. It's in front, like it's at a distance from the player. So you can see here, this is the center of the camera. There's a player. The player's looking forward. This is an eye, and with a line, this like area that the player's looking at. This is the distance from the camera to the player. So the background player is technically vulnerable, and this is supposed to be fog. Because I don't want the player to be on the very edge of the screen, but I want them to be vulnerable. I think the solution to that will be to have fog, which will also set the theme of the game. I feel like. Also, let me pause the music once again just to check out how I sound. Why does it sound so low? Okay, I think I'll have to like. I'll put the mic over here maybe. Sorry for the sound again. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plosive, test, pizza, plosive. Yeah, it's all fine. I don't know what's going on. When I'm doing something, it just doesn't sound well. You know. Oh no, my headphones are running out of battery. Why'd you always do this to me, headphones? Why? Rah. Okay, let me switch. Let me switch it up. And since I'm sitting down, I'm actually going to use my headphones wired instead of wireless. I'll have the analog signal, which is stronger, better. Okay, let me put the wireless to charge immediately. So let me show you the camera in Godot once I get my headphones on. Just connect this headphones. This cable. Oh, whoops, my bad. Oh no, you hear? No, you hear the stream. No, connect the thing, quick, connect it. Okay. Is it okay now? Yeah, it is okay. One thing that I may do, I should probably turn off the light. Actually, maybe this is too bright. I'll need a lamp. Okay, even with the lamp, this is way too dark actually. We need the light on, sadly. I don't like it, but I have to keep the light on. Let me see how I'm sounded. Connecting headphones in 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, I sound so saturated now. Why did the audio cut out for a second? Where's my volume? Oh, that's why. Oh wow, it's freaking loud. One thing that I want to do. Let me look this up real quick. Shortcuts, Windows, Zen. Audio shortcuts. Oh, did I bump into my microphone? Why did I hear that in my stream? That I don't think I bumped into it. This is not what I'm looking for. Okay, so what I'm looking for, the current keyboard that I'm using right now, which is not the same I was using in the other streams, doesn't have volume control. And so I don't have that readily available. I'm looking how to set it up in a way that I can use volume, like with the numpad or something, which would be ideal. Keyboard volume control. Oh, okay. Let me see. It's with the volume mixer, I believe. I'm not sure. Let me see. Yeah, just the volume keys, keyword shortcut. Okay. Oh, accessibility settings. Okay. Okay, settings, ease of access, keyword. Is it keyword? Yeah. Time volume adjustment to other keys. Where is that? Is there on screen key? No. It's toggle keys. Yeah. That's so annoying. You might have to hear that every single time. Okay, you might hear that, but that's crazy. Use filter keys. Ignore brief or repeat keystroke and change keyboard repeat rates. No. Even available print screen shortcut. Is the print screen button? Ooh. Ooh, actually, that might be cool. Let me see. Yo, I can. Oh, that's crazy. I like that. Okay, so I said it. I was in a way. So you can set. There's a setting to use the print screen to automatically use the screen snipping. That's a game changer for me. I always use like Windows print screen to take screenshots, which I can still do, but I never use the screen like the snipping tool, which I really like the snipping tool, but I never use it because I'm too lazy to open it. I'd rather just take a screenshot and then just like drop it. And I never use the print screen otherwise, so it's like win-win, you know. My message when turning on sticky keys, toggle keys, filter keys from the keyboard. Make a sound when turning on sticky. Okay, yep. Change all the typing settings, language and keyword settings. I'm fine the settings that I need to find. Typing settings? No. You just assign volume adjustments to other keys. Finding keyword shortcuts. Oh, there was also like this thing with the screen where you can just like. Oh yeah, okay, that makes sense. But that's not what I'm looking for though. Volume keys. I only need like 3 keys, and I know exactly how I want them. I have one like Control Shift, and then minus plus, and like asterisk in the numpad. Uh. Start menu. Interesting. Okay, I guess I'll look for it another day. It's kind of complicated. You can technically do it. I don't know why it isn't an option in Windows, but like Aegis isn't an option, so. Media keys? I don't know. Okay, I can't. There's no option for that. Also, I just realized the bumps on my desk are pretty loud on the microphone. Yeah, and it isn't supposed to be like that. It wasn't like that actually. Which is kind of weird. Interesting. So let me see. So what do I have? So let me show you what I've done. Like I said, I only done this. I don't know if I'm going to go vertical. I'm like still thinking about the direction of the game. I think it's kind of like I'm between two now directions. Um, because I have one original like vision, but now the vision's changing. It's kind of mixing with another vision. I'm like, which game do I make? So now this is all that I've done for now. Let me take this out. Get this up, video player, debug, app capture. In sound, we have video player, we have Godo, debug, we have me with Spotify. So for the video player, we have this, we have Jon Carwick from also let me say something. Okay, you'll see black screen for a second. I just want to check where the chat is. Is right there. Okay, the chat is right there, so we'll just put this over here. That makes sense. I'll move it a single pixel down. Perfect. Let me just look this in place. Yeah, let me just look that there. Whoops. There we go. And now you had a video player. Perfect. Is that good? Oh yeah, I was like, why does this look so bad? And it's because it's just that's how it is. Also, one thing I'm realizing, every single video now has like different ratio, screen ratio, so now I need to crop it. How is it that you crop it? It's like, no, it's control, no, alt. Yeah, alt. Okay, there we go. Yeah, let me move them. There we go. Perfect. Now look at, and now we're good to go. So we have Jon Carwick. This is freaking GBG. How does this sound? Let me just sound this. You aren't hearing it. Why aren't you hearing it? Test. Oh wow, why is it so loud? And actually, is there another like? Oh, there's another more interesting video. Let me just spend this app. Let me go to this one. There's more game development related. This is when Sony made optimized realistic graphics by fixing UE Unreal Engine 4 and Origin frame analysis. So these guys are Thread Interactive, which is a channel. Let me hide this real quick because I don't know how that didn't show anything about me. Oh, and I just realized I'm not watching it with my BTiter account. Let me just switch. Oh, whoops. So as I was saying, Thread Interactive is a channel that targets fake optimization in modern graphics and like what actual optimization, and they try to create customer awareness regarding game optimization and how things work, and they really analyze every frame and why essentially Unreal Engine sucks, and they have very multiple analysis. One thing that I found very interesting that I've not only seen him talk about, but everyone talk about, is the Silent Hill 2 remake. One thing that I found interesting, which I think is really stupid, is that the Silent Hill, yes, remake, it's not like they barely did anything. Like it's not that they didn't try, like they didn't try to like optimize it at all. Like the least they could have done is not load in the things that you can't see, or not load in, or like reduce the level of detail at the very least. But they didn't even do that. They load everything at like high quality, even if you can see it. And it's like, bro, that's the least you could do. That's the easiest thing to do. Like that's built in. There's an option for that. There's no excuse for that. That's so stupid. Why would you not optimize that? Because there's some other things I'm like, yeah, that's kind of hard to optimize. That would have been a lot of work. And even then, I feel like it's your job to do that. That just comes with the job, so you should do that. But at the same time, that specific case, it's like that's just 2 clicks. Like I'm sorry, but like at the very least, you could have done 2 clicks and fixed that. Anyways, that's what Thread Interactive does. So we're watching Thread Interactive when Sonic made some optimized realistic graphics by fixing Unreal Engine 4, which is a urgent frame analysis of the infamous Days Gone, which, if I'm not wrong, is infamous for being a bad game. But it's actually interesting. Let me, but it's 480p because, of course, you're seeing it on a very small screen. Let me see now if it sounds. Why isn't it sounding? Why can't you hear the sound? There must be something else capturing it. Is this like app capture? What is app capture? Debug. Win. Oh, I think I know what it is. YT music? No? Wait, let me, you were able to hear on the siren screen, no? Okay. I hit it from everywhere. You still can't hear it. I don't know why that is. Remove this. What? What? Oh, that's for debug. I don't want debug. It's the video player. I think. Oh wait, you can see it now. What happened to it? Oh, there we go. Maybe change the capture method. Clan area capture cursor. Don't capture. Yeah, you can see my cursor now. Yo, it's me. Look at me. I'm here. Yo. You can't hear it. Why though? Will I really have to use another capture just for this? Okay, that works. Okay. There we go. Okay, yeah, it's working. So I'm gonna boot up. Oh, go to. Let me show what the work that I've done. Did I upload it to GitHub? I don't think I did. Also, why is it on a separate window? So that doesn't make sense. Why can't I see my arrow? Oh. Okay, maybe. Oh, wait. I need to hide this. Oh, whoops. There we go. Okay. So, let me open GitHub. It's my GitHub. Where's my GitHub? My repository. I'm not interested in Copilot. Oh, whoops. Oh, wait. This is clicking. No comments? First, this version. Oh, you can see my. Let me video player and take off the cursor because it's kind of the way. Let me make another command real quick. Documents. Let me make another command because I didn't do a command for some reason. Wait, can I go back? I wanna see what that's about. Sorry. Okay. Interesting. Let me close this real quick. Okay, that works. Oh, oops. Augments, Goldo, projects, game, move, yes. Actually, I shouldn't have changed that. I'm gonna rename it. How's it called? Yes, first a second. Nice. Default camera added. I don't think I did anything else. I think it's just default camera added. Can I undo the command? Um, get a comment. Okay. I forgot how did I even do one commit? I went through this issue the same like last stream, I think. What? Oh, right, okay. So we have a gold over here. Yep, perfect. This is a tiny like border on the bottom of the screen, which is kind of annoying. I'm not gonna lie. But there's not much I can do about it. Uh-huh. Oh, it's with the pull request. That's how you delete them, right? I believe so. Um. Well, I just leave it like that. Okay, that makes sense. Then I have the debug. Let me see, is the debug screen board working? Yeah, it works. It's just not well center. What is going on with the video? Thank you. What? Okay, it's not rendering when it's going in the back. Okay. Okay, there we go. So that's a game. When you start a game, it looks like this. Oh, it's still window for me. So the camera is not really like well placed in front of the character. When you move, it does update though. This is how it should look, and then you can look back and it goes back. It isn't the speed that I would like. Let me pause the video so I can speak. It isn't really like the speed that I would like. I think I would like slower, but it also feels more natural like this. Also, I'm gonna move the microphone real quick. Yeah, that wasn't great. But yeah, this feels more natural when you're like actually playing the game. Like a quick. But I also like the vulnerability of the player. If there's someone behind them, I don't want them to be able to just like. Is there something? Is there something like? I want them to have to take a risk whenever they're looking back. Essentially, have to like take a second to look back and have a cooldown. They have to like risk. Okay, I could look back, but if I look back, I may be killed. You know. And keep in mind, the plan is to have mists. Also, I don't like there's some custom code, but a lot of this is like working with just the default Godot code. So for some reason, there's this thing where like the camera moves a bit forward when the character moves a bit forward, and depending on some settings, it works better or worse. This is the lowest I could get it. But the lowest, if you get it to move less, it also means that the camera pans faster, which is the opposite of what I would like, but you know, that's the way I could do it. So if we look at the script, what I did is this, which doesn't look a lot difficult. But the long story short, it has been a long time. I think I did it on stream actually. I don't think I did it outside of stream. The long story short is that I was using the wrong script because I'm stupid. And it turned out that I was right the first time I did the code, and I spent a lot of time doing the code, and it wasn't working. I was like, why isn't it working? It wasn't the one connected with the camera. It was just another random one. But yeah, this just essentially sets the position of the camera. Oh, and this is working with like Godot signals. This right here is like a signal. What is this? What is this Fred off for? Godot code. Okay, I think you can see this. Godot code red dot. Oh, it's a breakpoint. Okay, yeah, okay. It works exactly as I expected it to work. That makes sense. Okay, so you can set this, and once it gets there, you wanna, you can see, it's right, that shouldn't crash. Yeah, there it stops, perfect. Why isn't this closed? There we go. How do we go back to the other screen? It's not the usual screen. I don't know. Oh, video RAM, interesting. But yeah, this just changes the position of the camera based on this signals, which are triggered on the player script somewhere. This? No. Oh, this. So there's signal, player facing right, player face left, and move. So the signals, okay, they are emitted based on directions. Like if player directions, the right, it emits signal, player facing right, and it's left, player facing left. And then the camera changes on that, and then there's also like the signal for moving, which I'll use for some stuff, I'm guessing. Oh, actually, I could use that to fix the issues I have with the camera moving, with the characters moving. Like the position changes based on the velocity of the character. I think that will be really useful. Like if signals moving, like if signal moving, is received by the camera, then like position of the camera equals this plus or minus or multiplied by the velocity of the character. Oh, it's plus the velocity of the character, or minus, I guess, depending on the direction. Yeah, but that makes sense. Yeah, I did that, but outside of stream, more importantly, now that I showed that, oh, why say capture maybe to a model? I don't know. Let's ignore that for a second. And can you hear Spotify? Oh no, you can't. Can't you? Well, you can't. Why can't you hear Spotify? Okay, there we go. So what I've really been working on. Let me see if it doesn't dox me. Oh, it opened. It just didn't open the right window. I don't know why it didn't open. And you should have opened with my left monitor. File. Okay. Let me see. Capture. That's not the right capture. Skip. And let's see. Type. File. This. I've been working on time apps. There's a template that I found on the internet. I don't remember who made it, but it was on some page, and I'm making dirt. A bunch of dirt. I have multiple layers of dirt. There's this one. This is the main one. There's this one, which was the first attempt, which I then refined into this, which is the same as the center tile for this. So from this, it went to this. You can see very different look. This one looks more like rocks, and this one looks more like intestines. Is it intestine or intestine? Intestine, right? Like small intestine, big intestine. Yes, yeah, intestine. So yeah, this looks rough. It looks more shaded, obviously, because of this dark blobs over here. This looks round and soft somehow. So yeah, this is the full dirt without grass. There's gonna be another variant that is just the same thing but with grass on top of it. So like if needed, I can just like put this alongside the grass one and it'll look fine. Know what I mean? And I'm gonna be making like this, just again over and over and over again. And I think so. I really like this part right here. I don't know if you notice it, but it's one of the few parts that looks noticeable, like different. But I actually like the concept of that. I like the idea of having like little blobs, different dirt. But I like the idea of putting it on it, like have a random chance, have it like variants in a certain way, I guess. I don't know what all these are for. I don't understand the language that this used. Like I do understand this because I know this like template right here, just like I don't know how you call it. It's like the 7-layer template or whatever, this it's like 1 2 3 9. It's like how do you call this? Wait, let me see. Do you see this? Tile map templates. A template. Okay, I actually found an example of a tile of the template from a guy called Alexander Runicio. And it's a template that I'm pretty sure it's the same as this one, right? Oh no, it's not the same. Okay, I'm examining it. So the top left, it's obviously the same. That's like typical, that's normal. Then the top right is roughly the same too. But it's weird. Huh. This is interesting. I'm confused as to how this is being handled. There's 2 extra spaces. Okay, I see. Interesting. Okay, so green's top, blue's bottom, yellowish. Yeah, I actually like that. Okay, interesting. Two different maybe. I wish I could like know this was the same. Like I wish I had an example with the template I'm using. Sorry. Sorry, that's my bad. Okay. Huh. Okay, images. Okay, the first one that shows up is exactly the one I'm using. Let me see even they have an example. Off surface, underground, air. I use GIMP over your favorite editor to replace blue, green, white, yellow. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't really talk about it. Oh, wait. Huh. Yeah, this is what I found weird. Wait, how many tiles is this? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but I assume 8. Yeah. Okay, it's 8 by 8, 64. How many is this? Okay, I can't really see well because it's freaking corrupt. This one is very similar to this one actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. What? It's 7? Okay, it's 7 by 7. 7, 7 is 49. Right? What are you reading, also? Per tiles. I mean, I assume it's per tile. It's 64. Oh. Ooh. I found a... Okay, I found a Godot video that I'm actually gonna save. Like another user published it on the same thing that I found this. So I'm gonna put in like watch lists. I'm just calling it. So let me get this image. Which one is which? Okay. I got that. Let me see which image or which. Download. Okay. So, okay, I have kind of like 2 templates now. Let me just got this. Where did I save my template? I think it's in projects or I reference. I don't know. Maybe no, it's on here. It's in projects. So projects. It's not concept or assets. Let me give you a separate folder for templates because now I have trees. Okay. So let me import this. I feel like this one's way more useful. Yeah, I need like place none, and I believe how big is the freaking canvas? How do you see the canvas? I forgot. Image properties 256 by 256. Okay, in that case 256 times 256. No way, it's not exact. What the hell? What do you mean? Why would you make that? Okay. Oh, because one less the hell? That bothers me so much. I'm so annoyed. How do I approach this then? It's not the same size. It's basically, why is it not snapping? I mean, view, snap to canvas edges. It's still not snapping. But this is like, if we made it way smaller. Mind, this is to fit in, like, why is it not snapping? It would be way better if it could snap. Okay, let me just make it smaller. I don't know, 150 and 46. 196. Just like half of it. So you're trying to have a problem with that. Okay, so let me just use the move tool because this is freaking annoying. There we go. And then it's actually bigger than this. What are you doing? Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? Why is it dragging from the center? What are you doing? What do you mean? Around the no, not around center. What do you mean? Don't do that. That's illegal. Okay, let me see. Let me measure this. Not that. Say Control M. No, cancel that. Control Shift M. Shift M. What? What do I use for measure? Oh yeah, Shift M. Oh, I was in the app. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, of course it's 32 pixels. I don't know what I'm thinking. So yeah, this has to be 32 pixels less than that, and the whole thing is 256. So it should be 254 and 224, right? Yep. And so there we go. Okay, there we go. This should be fine. Oh, wait, I guess I can just do 254 and disconnect this and then go to 54 too. There we go. Why is it so big now? Oh, right, okay. I see what I did. 224. 224. And there we go. Now we're talking. Now that's perfect. This tool is supposedly free, but I don't know why. Huh. I mean, this is like for a completely good game. This does have slants. Now, I don't know if I would use slants. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember the context of this. Bro, why have to... What do I have the grid on? What? Wait. Why is the grid not right? What? Wait, it is right. So why doesn't this... What the... What? Oh. Oh. Okay, I'm stupid. I see why now. Who would have thought? Why does it have a freaking border? Why does it have a border? I hate that. Why does it have a border? Okay, yeah, I'll have to measure this now. So let me move the whole thing, not the grid. Let me move this whole thing. How much is this? 52. It should measure 64. Again, 52. Okay, if I measure the edges, it's 54. But then, like, for this one in the middle, it would have to be every single one of them, right? Unless this is also 54, which it is not. Okay, so now if I were to take this into consideration, what? 61 by 63? What the? Bro. Okay, 224. 224. This is a good thing in concept, but it just isn't good. Oh wait, but it is a good reference at the other one though. Like this is a good reference on how you're supposed to use it. This one though, on the other hand, is the actual one, good one. So I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna just like shrink it to. Is it 224? 224. 224. As it should be. This time it actually fits right and it should look right, and it is right, unlike this one which is slightly sideways for whatever reason and non-fitting and up. Look at this is way up than the actual tile, you know. But this is actually fine. It's kind of weird, the divisions are kind of weird, I'm not gonna lie, but it's fine. Yeah, so this is more of a idea of how to do this. So let me put this along with the template over here. Template 2. Template 3. Sorry. the grid. I'll make it more prominent. Yeah, that's all look fine. Like this doesn't look fine. On the other hand though, this does. It's barely visible, but that does. Sorry, let me make that disappear. No, I guess I'll figure that out. I don't know. It's more an example how to use that. Okay, yeah, I get it. We're going to watch the weirdest tech at CES 2025. Yep. Yep. Also, I just realized I have the video player down here because I used to have the thing up there, the the event list thing, but now I can just move it here. You know, I don't have the event list anymore. I can have it there. It looks cool. Yeah, right. Actually, let me. Yeah, there. Perfect. Nice. Uh-huh. That's horrifying. Maybe. What? Wait. What? What is happening? What? Something's going on here. What is going on? Okay. I don't know if you can see it, but like, I may be covering it right now. So I have 3 layers of dirt. There's dirt 1, there's dirt 2, and there's dirt 3. This is dirt 2. This is dirt 3. And this is dirt 1. Now, if I turn on dirt 2 and then dirt 3, we see there's obviously a difference. The image is obviously changing and it's considerably different. However, if I turn off the dirt 2 and I just leave dirt 3 and then turn on dirt 2, it's the same image. Oh wait, of course. Then you turn off dirt 3. What the? Oh, I see what's happening. Oh, but which one did I use to design it? I think this one, right? I don't know how. I made it in such a way that they both look right, but it looks wrong at the same time. How did I design that? How could I make such a monstrosity? Why did I make such a monstrosity? What the hell? That is so messed up. Bro. That is generally so messed up. I think I'm actually used Dirt 3 in that case, I'm not sure. It looks like beans, I'm not gonna lie. Does look like beans. I was so like confused at first. I don't know how to explain what was going on. I was hallucinating. What? Yeah. Oh yeah, I saw that. I was like, what the hell? Why you don't want that? I don't want that. Huh? What is this? Oh. Wait, what are we talking about now? I got lost. Ooh. Ooh, I hate that and I like that at the same time. Interesting. Okay, you say an ad, I just ignored it. I don't know if it's out of existence. Ooh. Yeah. Real. Yeah. Interesting. Oh, interesting. Okay. Wait, what? Is that a parallel port? Okay, it has USB, it has the Ethernet. I don't know why you would have like a CAT cable, but it has a CAT cable connector. I think that's a USB-C, but that's a parallel port? That's crazy. Mm-hmm. Interesting. What? Oh. Okay. Huh. Riley does not recommend that. He does not suggest that. He does not like that. He actually hates it. He hates it pretty much. Okay, so what I would do here. Okay, I would. Can I like just lasso, yeah. No lasso, what it? Okay, I just like rectangle, yeah. And just like add it. I want to keep this. I like this shape right here, there. Oh, actually, easier option, just so I got all of it. And then that's subtract, yeah. Then subtract this area, this area. This area. There's probably no one going, so yeah. Okay, and I'm gonna just I like that. Okay, I don't like the bottom though. Yeah, because it's taking part of the bottom for some reason. So let me just do my thing and do. Oh, whoops. But yeah, why isn't it working? Okay, there we go. And now let me boop. Yeah, I think that's perfect. Let me save that. Let me open another video. There was a video of the making of Minecraft. Here we go. Bro, why is the Windows 7 thing? Bro, Windows 7, that's nostalgic. Also, I have to change the thing again. Why do you change the aspect ratio? Why would you do that? Okay. A bit shorter. Okay, actually, let me just. Better. Ah, there's a border on that. Right. There's a border on the top now. What the hell is this aspect ratio, man? Okay, there we go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Really? Interesting. Interesting. Okay. You know, I'm realizing this video is 22 minutes long, and I kind of want to go to sleep. You know, I really want to finish this, but I really want to go to sleep. So I think I'll end streams like now. I'll leave it on the beginning ending stream thing. Then I'll go to sleep. So, sadly, let's go over the plan, the game plan. Yeah, the game plan. Don't know the game plan on this. Yeah, capture game plan. I capture it. So we already showed off at the beginning. We did this today. We did game work. We watched some videos. And yeah, next stream we should do roughly the same thing. Out of stream, I'll be working on more of this. Exactly what we're doing. Like what we were doing like 5 seconds ago. And I'll see if I can draw some fan art. For each you particularly. That may be on Twitter at some point if I do it. So yeah, that's about it. Oh, and I'm gonna do this too. And I'm also working on a script for a video, but I don't know when I'll record it. I also have to draw animation for it, and I have to do a bunch of stuff, and I'll be experimenting with DaVinci for that. So that will be interesting. I'll like see if I can get it on like YouTube as soon as possible. It's a very interesting essay. It's a video essay, so that's really cool. And yeah, that's about it. Have a good night. See you next stream. Adieu.